Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have Janice with me. Such a sweet friend. It's actually my sister-in-law's mother. And so anyway, I've been cutting her hair for a long time now, ever since she moved here. And 10 years. Yeah, seriously, it's been crazy. Time is flying. But Janice is a sweetheart. Something about Janice, she is a very thoughtful person. A little story, just on Sunday, we went to a luncheon together and she had these tongs with her fruit. And I asked her, those tongs are awesome. Where did you get them? I need some like that. And she showed up today and it's Wednesday and she has me the tongs. So that's how thoughtful she is. She is just a sweet friend, such a good person. And so, yeah, that was just awesome of her to think of me. So, all right. Something really awesome about Janice. Her hair, she doesn't like product in it. She likes to dry it without product, and she likes a simple, easy style, but it looks so darling. And so
to be a brick girl.
Oh, there you go. See, that's perfect. That's so cute.
For your time.
No, but I love it. Tell them again. You want to be a what?
A brick shampoo. Back in the 60s, 70s, that was a shampoo. And on the back of a lot of magazine covers, the whole back of the cover was just a pretty person with very natural looking hair.
Pretty hair. That's awesome. So see, that's why she wants to be a brick girl. I love that.
Before people started that coming and all that stuff.
Right. Just a soft, nice. So, and that's the way she wears it. And it looks so cute every time I see her. So I'm going to show you that cut. Go ahead and put your head down for me, dear. Okay, we're just gonna trim this up and then I'm gonna show you how she likes the back. At the bottom, you know, she likes it a little tighter, but she does like the volume through this area. So she doesn't like it too tight there. So I will show you when we get to that area. And she comes once a month. Okay, so I'm gonna, yep, there we go, perfect. Okay, this is how much we take off. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna hold this straight out. This, she likes a little bit of length. She has a cowlick here. She likes this a little fuller and then tight down here. So when we get to this area, I'm gonna just come a little bit tighter. Because and especially these sides, she doesn't like those poking out when they grow out. So I go a little bit shorter there. Okay, so hold that up. So this length, because it's falling out. And then from that, we're gonna go down. That way it leaves that length in the middle right there. Okay, gonna go a little bit tighter. And so yeah, this is a great haircut for the ladies out there that want something, you know, simple and soft and not have to use a lot of product. It's a really good look.
When the wind blows, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, see, that's right. That's exactly. The wind blows, it doesn't matter. Just goes back into its spot when you get back in. So I do love that a lot. Okay, and then of course by her ear back here in the neck area, I definitely do that a little tighter. And if I need to come back with my clipper over comb, then I will. Okay, and then I just go behind the ear there, clean that up. Okay, same thing here. I'm gonna cut that, bring this up so this falls out so we're not taking that length. and then come back from this length and go straight down. Just angle that in. Oh goodness, Janice, that was so sweet of you to bring me those tongs. That literally just made my day. What a thoughtful, sweet person. Oh, that just made my whole day. It was an amazing surprise. Because you know I haven't had time to even think about that. And so for you to just bring them, oh. Anyway, I will use them like crazy, so thank you. Okay, and then right here, come up. Yeah. Okay, and then this top, I'm gonna wet this down. Okay, we're gonna come straight across here. I like to take, a little bit of length off of this top and more off of that bang, because when she dries it to the side, it kind of feathers over, and it looks really good with having, the layers up through that area, so it doesn't hang. So it's nice to have a little bit of short up through that area. And of course, it's not extremely short, but it's short enough to make the layers up there so it will fall cute and kind of feather back a little bit. Okay, and our sides, we can hold that out. Take a little bit of that. Gonna take this, clean this up around the ear. I always comb a few times, make sure you get all those little hairs out so it's all even. Then I'm gonna come through here, open and shut the shears so there's different lengths through her sides. Okay, and then this side, we're gonna do the same thing. Gonna hold this out, take this length off. Little bit of a corner there, we take that off. Okay, comb that down, go from the top of that ear down to the point. Like I said, comb and comb, make sure that all those little hairs are out so you can get them nice and even. And then open and shut shears. So there's different lengths in this front. Okay, and then I'm going to grab the bang area, hold that out a little bit, rest on my ring finger, and point cut into the length. How you doing, Janice?
I'm fine.
Good. Okay, now I'm just checking both sides, making sure we're even here. A little bit long right there. Just gonna point cut into that. Okay, now we are going to do a little bit of texturizing. This will give her body when she dries it out without the product. And that's what's nice in knowing, because some people will say, well, my hair's not doing anything. when they don't use product. But if you do have texture in there and you're still not using product, the texture can help the hair stand up. It'll cut little hairs in there so the longer hairs will stand up and have more body. And then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna take her sides in a little bit. Like I said, now she likes the length through this area, okay? She likes a little bit of weight there, but she likes this tighter because when this grows out, this sticks out. And she does not love that.
Just that corner.
Yes, right? It is. It's the corners for sure. Okay, just gonna take that in just a tiny bit so that will last her. And like I said, she comes in once a month at the first of the month, which is super fun. Yes, yep, with the corners. Yep, exactly. Oh, that's cute. So we have to take him back in. But yeah, especially if you go longer than 4 weeks for a cut, you should ask your hairstylist if your corners are bugging, just take those in a little bit. Okay, and now to dry, like I said, she doesn't like product. So we're gonna dry this down. The other thing that will help without product is a round brush. You don't have to use a round brush to get the volume. You can just shoot your fingers back and forth because there's texture in there. So back and forth with the fingers. The more movement you do with fine, thin hair, the more volume you're going to get. Now, if it's thick and frizzy and curly, you might, less movement is better so you don't get it too frizzy. But if you do like no product or something soft, a soft look, then this is what you would want. So I'm going to take the round brush. Okay, now I'm going to turn her to the mirror. I always like to check her bang area and make sure it's not too heavy. Okay, so that's about right. We're a little thick over here on this one side. Right here in this front, if you can see, this one comes down nice. This one's too thick and long. So we're going to take that in a little bit. There, you can see that blends a lot better. Okay, and then I just love, and this is what I'm talking about, like the layers on the front and the side. You can just put your hands through it. And then the back is nice and short, but yet it has a little bit of volume through that area. Okay, Janice, thank you so much for letting us see. That's just standing up a tiny bit there. Here we go. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna just turn her around one more time so you can see that. And thank you so much. I hope you guys have a phenomenal day and hopefully this helped. And thanks again, Janice. You're awesome. Have a good day, you guys. See ya.